Philip Shoup. I'm a reliability engineer, multi-site responsibility for Mauser Packaging Solutions. I'm involved with 25 facilities across North America. My focus is on enterprise systems and programs, so eMaint falls under that, as well as a rollout of a new PDM program, predictive maintenance. Mauser, our division, is North American small pack, so we're making containers, so 7 gallons and smaller, a lot of buckets, paint cans, all the way down to like your PVC glue cans, like those small metal cans. A lot for the paint industry, a little bit for the fuel industry. It's rigid packaging. We use 3 different technologies, would be metal can making, seaming and welding, blow molding, and injection molding. We have an enterprise account, just rolled out X5 and 17 of our plants, all those plastics plants, so the ones you do in blow mold and injection mold. We use it to manage all of our maintenance activities. It starts on the floor with production operators and stuff, putting in work order requests that get approved, turned into work orders, jobs are planned and executed, as well as for scheduled work orders. We use it for inventory management as well. So our biggest ones are labor hours planned versus executed, because we can then tell if a PM's pencil whip, if it should take 20 hours and they put 1 hour on it, like there's no way you could have did this. We're tracking technician utilization just for headcount justification. We hear this from every maintenance manager: we don't have enough people. Well, are you logging 80–85% of your time? That way we can see where their pain points are. And then PM completion compliance numbers. Training over 300 users on how to use the system and really building standards at the same time. It was just all around a success story.